What's next?
Hey Yos, what's up?
Hey Nick, I was trying to figure out how to get in Zoom.
Can you help me, please?
Yeah, sure. Just go to the app, then sign in with your email. And click join. Now, go to your Canvas account and you'll find all teachers' names, codes, and passwords on the dashboard. Copy and paste the one that you need. Make sure that you don't mark on don't connect to audio and turn off my video. Now click join. Paste the password and click join meeting. And that's it.
Stay calm, don't feel embarrassed. It was easy, but there's nothing wrong with asking for help. Say bye, and now go to class.